Sorry, I was stopping and starting the next episode. I'll do memory and persuasion. Yeah!
She peers closely at
All right then. Apologies.
Bitch, I can talk my way into anyone.
You guys having fun in
what?
there?
Now what do we do?
What the hell are you even doing?
We were dealing with the wedding stuff.
Oh.
Nothing sacred anymore. All safe.
The woman cries on.
I have no idea.
She looks up at you with glassy.
A girl's wedding should be the happiest day of her life. I can't accept it. I know you mean well.
She turns and waves one timid hand to her husband on the balcony. He offers an apathetic grunt in return. She blinks back tears from her pink-tinged eyes. The dwarf stares grimly into space. Rings adorn his fingers, some of which glitter with ornate rose-tinted jewels.
If you'll excuse me, I'd just as soon be left with my thoughts. Yes, it's been a horrendous day. Still, it's a fine match. With her assets and my name, that is to say, we will be a force to be reckoned with.
I don't like you.
He glances over at his distraught bride as she takes...
Events like today's do have a way of putting... There's much to be gained from this alliance. It survived the Voidwoken after all. Out with the
Wait a
old,
minute.
in with the new.
I read that wrong. Vredeman is Brachus Rex.
Oh. Oh. So he's already
Brachus Rex is back alive. He was resurrected by Tarkin.
Huh.
Yet.
Tarkin doesn't
Old Man Ross
remember
left the incident quite
because
unharmed.
Dallas wiped his memory after he did it.
Oh. That's why he's a veiled undead.
Also, Flame, you should rest. You're missing source points.
Is that what passes for sense among the lower classes?
Oh.
She is quite enamored with me.
Bitch, I am 4 feet taller than you and I will devour you. And your soul.
But no. In my family, marriage is a more practical matter. Our union means I can continue my work. And how dare you judge me for my actions? What I do here today ensures the survival of my house. It ensures the survival of my work, and I would not give a dog's bark for your opinions. Now leave me be. I would choose the Voidwoken over this company.
I'm gonna do it, Zerg. We weren't in town.
Okay, so.
A bad omen. Nothing is.
Gods, I am
Guys, come upstairs. I found something.
A girl's wedding should...
Okay. What'd you find?
We need someone who can talk to animals.
The fuck is that?
That's a pig.
Wearing a crown.
Yes. Excellent. Give me my slippers. Chop chop.
Anyone want bacon?
Yes, actually.
Oh, it's always so adorable when the peasants pretend they have lives of their own.
I think I know why she was turned into a pig.
Okay, I'm able to talk now. And what?
Anyone want bacon?
You like it cooked?
Wait, do we have to kill her?
No.
No.
Rotha's just being pissy.
This whole family needs to die. Except the wife. She seems pretty cool.
Boys in general just seem like assholes.
I was expecting more from that pig, to be honest.
She looks right through you, face slack with grief. She looks down at her feet. Seeing her blood spattered.
I should be so happy.
My character can hear voices in
Barely
the
made it
sewers, but
indoors
she can't make
alive.
them out.
But not everyone was so lucky.
Okay, I think I figured out where we need to go. There's a bunch of dead people and
What are
blood
you
things everywhere.
insinuating? We're merchants, not mystics.
You said that there
She
was
buries her head in her hands, sob. She
the toy
turns
maker
and
was using
He's
Source, right?
forgiven.
Yep.
Found
Yeah,
the toy
Source.
maker's shop.
Yeah, he's been using Source.
And apparently he started the Way of Blood.
Ross Boutique. Luxury goods and
Yeah, guys, I found where we need to go. For the wedding thing, I'm assuming.
Probably.
There's also some roasted pork here that I'm going to take and go eat in front of that pig.
You've got your work cut out.
Wanna fuck with the toy seller? Sanders.
Yeah.
I feel like the entire story shop is gonna come to life.
Go ahead, Flame. It's your party.
Why is it my party?
Because I don't know what to do.
You're the talker.
Fine.
You're positively haunting me with your presence of late. Something I can help you with?
The Path of Blood. That's what he said.
Myself and others, some of the finest feats of engineering ever conceived guard the remains of the divine. The Path of Blood was our master. Now I'm the last one alive, the last engineer of the cathedral and its secrets. I've retired and found a new calling. One of my late colleagues designed them for the cathedral. Little wind-up sentries to guard against intruders. Now I busy myself turning the surplus into toys. It truly feels good to spread a little joy in my twilight years. It is a feat of engineering. A modern marvel, unmatched in quality anywhere in the realm. I should know, but you should broach more practical matters with Lord Protector Ahu, the keeper of the cathedral. You should find him in his chambers there.
Uh-huh.
I love my work. I love the possibilities of it all. The idea of engineering something to perfection. But one aspect always fails me.
How are you, though?
People. Fallible,
I
mortal.
think
He throws
so,
an
yeah,
adoring
I mean,
glance.
My
check my
darlings aren't like
pockets.
that.
Yeah, I'm back.
They are pure and beautiful. They don't
I'm
make mistakes.
very interested in what
They
your
don't
pockets would have to do with you
question
being
my
back.
desires. I don't need others anymore.
Do you not know? It's where I keep the bad guys.
something
I mean,
Ah.
that was some good information he just gave us.
Yeah.
I don't have a problem with him using Source to make puppets.
Neither do I. I mean, we use Source like it's fucking water, so.
Now onwards to the lizard's place.
Yay, to get another piece of art. Why is this lizard's tail so straight? I was like, doing. Uh-oh. Roth, they can sense me. Hide me!
Dark, but I can hear the water below.
It's dark, but I can hear the water below.
There's an
Looks like it's
enemy.
heading to the river.
Yeah, the Revenants.
I'll be right back, guys.
Up in here, Roth, there are 2 Revenants.
Yeah. So are we going in here, Flame? I don't know where you're wanting us to go.
We will be going in here. The last piece of Cody's armor is in here somewhere.
Wait. Do I have the last piece? I thought I was still missing a few pieces.
I thought you were only missing one.
No, I missed it. I got the gloves, the boots, the legs, and I need a helmet and chest piece.
Do you mean like pestering magisters while Ark's orbit sinks into the sea? Spare me.
Oh yeah, alright. Well, here's...
He said one was located where the most grandest city is built.
Yeah, this is Ark's.
2 were.
2 were. One was... I know one was here for sure.
Yeah, he said, what about the lizards and what about the humans?
Alright, well, here's the lizard's place. The humans one we will find.
These reverends. Oh boy, I don't like these reverends.
Fucking cursed fire everywhere, goddamn.
Bless it as you go.
Can we?
Yeah, we can bless it. It would turn into normal fire. And then we can bless it again and turn it into holy fire.
We should wait
Oh,
for
bugger.
Josh.
There's a bow user.
Flame, are you already in combat?
Yes.
Ah.
I love how I'm not in combat and I can just do that.
Alright. We're gonna have a
There
fun
we go.
time with this. Bloodstorm! Can you just heal him? Oh, he's now diseased.
Ow.
Ew.
Uh-oh. Hi!
That's not nice.
Oh no, you're marked.
What they do?
Uh-oh. I'm marked.
Yeah,
No,
you've
it's on
been
my
marked.
pants!
You've been hit with glitter.
You know, it's never
No,
gonna come
it's
out now, right?
everywhere!
No matter what you do, it'll never come out.
Yep.
Is glitter flammable?
Wait a
Yes. Everything's flammable if you try hard enough.
No, wait. Just flame catching me on fire. Poof! Ah! The fire's been put out, but sadly he's still on fire.
Stop, drop, and roll.
Roll,
Just say-
stop, and drop.
Yeah, I was say, yeah, go that way, Roth, and go deal with that one, because I'm gonna go deal with the one that's closest over here.
Cursed fire everywhere.
Oh.
What?
The hell? Infernal Ego.
It's invulnerable. It's untargetable.
I must encourage myself to deal with this problem.
Ah! I'm angered by what happened.
I don't know what to do with that.
What is Josh doing?
He said he'd be right back.
He's still at the wedding.
He did say it kind of urgently.
Yeah.
Maybe like I don't know, Canada. So I know there's a moose loose about this house. So
Or maybe
There's a moose flutes.
or maybe someone maybe a Canadian insulted somebody and they never said sorry, so Josh had
or
to go
maybe
and rectify that.
maybe a Frenchman's rocked up in his province and needs to die.
Wait, why would Josh want to commit suicide though?
Oh! Hey! Oh! Hey! No, not you. Fuck you.
That what?
It just came back to life.
Oh, I don't like that.
Dimmer didn't kill it hard enough.
Resurrected.
A lizard nightmare. We killed an infernal lizard and the consulate, the flames kept bringing it back to life.
Wait,
Oh, we need to
maybe
get
we
rid of the
bless it?
fire.
Oh.
Maybe we bless it. Oh, it says to get rid of all the necrofire.
We need to get rid of the fire.
flame is standing on one of the pieces, so there's one there and there's one up here.
And you know what? For shits and giggles.
I'm back. Sorry about that, guys.
What the hell did you do?
Did you get him?
Spirit.
Oh, that's what you did.
Yeah.
Ow!
So did you kill the French? Oh.
Oh, they turned it back to necrofire underneath me.
Alright, I'll be back.
Did you get him, Josh?
I got what I had to do.
He did what he had to do.
So we're torn between three ideas. Either there's a moose loose of your hoops, and a Frenchman in the province that absolutely needed to die.
God damn it! I wanted to swap places with myself, not the.
Or
God damn it!
there's some Canadian that didn't apologise.
It was a combination of the three, actually.
There was a French moose that didn't apologise.
Yeah. It's a pretty serious situation.
It's just Canadian thing.
Stealing your shovel.
We're in combat, by the way.
I know, I will be there momentarily. But I just dug up a sack with 570 gold in it.
Ace.
Can you not?
It literally cannot not. Right, who should I pyramid to?
Any of us, honestly.
Why does everyone keep taking my damn shovel from me? Why can't they leave my shovel alone?
Out of curiosity, what would happen if I teleported this thing onto the other one?
I don't know. Both get sent to oblivion. Ah!
I have questions. What are we fighting?
Weird?
Cursed revenants.
Yeah, weird things.
We have to get rid of the cursed fire. But I feel like we gotta bless them. That's what I'm getting the feeling. It is now my boy's turn.
Kill it. Kill it. Now they're both dead.
Well, I killed it.
Now we have.
Now we gotta
we
get rid
have
of this
a
cursed
brief-
fire down below.
Yeah.
How do we close those things?
There's a lot of cursed fire around. Holy shit.
Yeah, because it's just ever growing.
I have an idea.
What?
Well, I can't do it until my turn, so.
You know what? How funny it would be if we drew them to the water way over here.
Well, I'm about to start steam lancing things, so.
I think we need to bless them, so I just made a fucky wucky.
Alright, Zerg.
Please never say that again.
Me and him are the
Wait.
only ones who can.
No! Yeah, me and Roth are the only ones who can say it.
I don't care. Please never say that again, either of you.
We will say it when we feel like it.
Alright, Zerg, I guess end your turn.
And I think to myself, what a fucking
Tigo, I will hurt you.
And for that, Tigo, you get muted.
You
Oh,
actually
we lost
muted
the
it.
peanut gallery.
That
Well, one of
song
them.
drives me crazy.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Ugh, I don't know, but I do not like it.
Because of the little voice.
It sounds like he's not even trying to like be
I was
musical.
about to say, Josh, try blessing the Revenant. See
I
what
don't
happens.
have blessed equipped.
Why?
What the fuck?
Because I swapped a whole bunch of things out.
Had blessed
Yes.
equipped.
And I swapped a
should.
whole bunch of things out for when we were fighting the plants, and then I came here and everything's immune to fire.
I always have bless equipped.
That's you, Cody.
I always have spirit, vampirism, and bless.
Oh, so me and Roth are the ones that come with the things we should always come with.
I
Standard.
have all of my source skills equipped 24/7.
I have too many source skills. I have them all equipped.
We need them to stop spreading fire.
You do, yes.
It'd be wonderful, yes.
He's immune to being wet.
Yes, but that's not the point. I think that's the point.
I was hoping it would stun him, but because he's immune to being wet, yeah.
Well, if he moves, it might stun him. Yep.
Blessed ice infusion.
Pulls from the corpse.
Come on, give me water. That fucking spirit is in the way.
Hey, look, you've hindered yourself by doing something like that.
Wait, what?
You just recast your incarnate.
Shit.
That was Totem.
No, that wasn't. That was incarnate.
Are these things undead?
Yeah, but they're also healing from necrofire. Well, from fire in general.
That's one way to do it.
This is like some weird platformer where you've got puzzles to solve by beating crap up.
Mm-hmm.
We need another corpse.
He's no longer on fire.
Sir, can I steal a source point from you?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Well, I've got 2 turns for it anyway, so... Actually, wait. I think I have a source point. I do. He has holy fire on him right now.
On who?
The
Oh,
Revenant.
yes. All my attack spells are on cooldown pretty much. Fuck it, I'll just burn this.
Man, how do we kill these things for permanent? You just keep coming back.
Sorry, Josh.
No worries.
Man, what do I do?
Well, they are definitely allergic to blessings.
Didn't even target them. The infernal ego things.
Well, if we can just keep keeping them in that form.
But that's the problem.
Just keep them from the fire.
But that's the problem.
They keep making more.
I think we just flee. And then come back.
Because here's the thing. We can cast Bless on them and it does get rid of the Necrofire. What to do after that, I don't know.
Yeah.
If we flee and slowly, systematically bless the fire and let it run out.
I don't know why, but I get the feeling that whoever's watching us is probably just going, wow, these guys are really dumbasses. They don't know how to figure this out. We're just starting this.
Well, this is our first playthrough.
And Cody, really the only people who would say that are people who've played this a lot.
I know, it's like, this is aggro. Maybe it couldn't do anything with their dead bodies laying around?
No, because they don't leave a corpse.
I think he's talking about, like, that corpse.
Yeah, that corpse, and there's a corpse all the way down the way.
So I'm going to attempt to flee. Oh, sir, you're in the way.
How am I in the way? You can go down the stairs.
No, I can't.
No, the spirit's in the way.
You can't walk through that?
No.
Come on.
Ross fucked himself. Ross fucked himself.
Hey Ross, just put the teleport thing up.
With what?
Oh, you don't have any AP?
I don't have any source. It doesn't take AP, it just takes 2 source.
To put the portal up?
Yeah.
Jeez.
So Ross is just fucked. So just skip your turn to the end of the turn order.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
It's not like you're gonna die.
No.
Like me.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get out of here. Slowly bless our way through this, get rid of all the fire. So I don't even... Because we can't examine those things either when they're in their weird forms.
Yeah, my advice is get out of there.
Hey, you're out of the turn order.
No, I'm not.
Oh, no, you aren't.
Yeah, he's not.
I had to do this to keep myself from dying.
Why? You didn't have anything that was going to hit you.
I had Necrofire on me.
Alright, Zerg.
It's my turn to flee.
Combat now.
What?
the end of that episode. Hey, it's my turn again.